Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built radios are automatically activated by the tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in southwest Arizona and southeast California. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Yuma and La Paz counties in Arizona and Imperial and eastern Riverside counties in California. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning device. Border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Extended forecast for San Gorgonio Pass near Vanning.
Now that was the weekly test I was expecting to get, which is pretty nice. Sucks that these three radios here didn't go off, but who cares? But yeah, that's going to be it. Now it's time to catch VEF's test.
And the NOAA radio warning alarm. Repeating, the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm system will be conducted today between 11 and 12 noon Pacific time. And now the weather synopsis for the Mojave. This is the weekly test of the emergency alert system from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada, Northwest Arizona, and Southeast California emergency alert system. And now the
That, my friends, was me catching all three required weekly tests. I mean, I could also get an LOX station, but I sort of skipped on that. But this is today, the test before Christmas, December 23rd, was the first day where I got 3 tests. Those being PSR's test on WXL 87, SGX's test on KIG 78, and Las Vegas's test on KXI 83, I think. Shoot, for a sec I forgot the name of that. But yeah, that, my friends, were the weekly tests I caught this week. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more EAS content and weather radios going off, and maybe some more portrait mode, which is unintentional, by the way. That's it.